Welcome to EngTech Media, your gateway to engineering and technology. Subscribe now for more innovative content.
Hello, welcome back to this tutorial. I'm going to show you how to add write-up to your header image. Let me go straight to home page. We have image on our home page and it's very empty. So we need to add header. We need to add write-up to this image. So that's what we're going to do. So let's go back to our dashboard. Go to my menu. All pages. Go to home page. Now you can see that we used Page Builder. You can see the code that is. These are the code you're supposed to type. If you're a programmer, you're supposed to do that yourself. So we use Page Builder to do this. So now I'm going to click on this SiteOrigin image. This is our header image here. Sorry, I have to go back. Okay. Title test. It has title test. So okay. And has destination URL. Okay, we don't need any of this. So I'm going to go to the point and I'm going to add my test feed. Add my test. Alright, I'm going to edit that. Copy this. This should be my title. Oh, I guess I don't even need all. Okay. Let me just add only this title. Let me see how the output will look like. So I'm going to come down here. I already added title right up. So we're going to preview how the website will look like. So let me go straight to our site, refresh. Okay, you can see the write-up. So what we did now is that we added text to this image because the image was just here all alone. So that's what we did. And we can also change theme if we don't like theme, because you have a better theme. Note that the reason why the site is like this, kind of very empty, because we are using a free theme and it's very, very empty. WordPress things are not actually free. Most of the plugin we use has a pro version. There are some things you want to do with those plugins, you can't do it because you don't have the pro version. Yes, you have to pay for it to get the pro version. And this theme is a free theme. That's why you see that it's very, very brief and doesn't have a lot of stuff. So it's very empty. But you can create your website with a free theme, just like we did. So you can create blog. I'm definitely going to show you how to create blog. It's very easy. I'll teach you how to create blog, maybe your blog page where you'll be able to post things. So I hope in my next class I will be talking about how to create your blog. If you are following this class to this part, I believe maybe by now you ought to have your own website. I believe maybe you are practicing alongside this, since you are not paying to get your domain, you are not paying to get your hosting. It's a free domain. The Patreon site gives you free domain and a free hosting. So see you in my next class.